Welcome. ACCA Strategic Business Reporting, or the SBR computer-based environment mock exam, provides you with a very good and realistic environment that would be quite similar to the actual ACCA SBR exam, allowing you to practice the mock exam in our CBE platform. Now, if you log in to your account, for example, that the SBR Section A, question 1 there, firstly, we've got the time clocking down here, and to allow you to do this question that using our best practice principle in terms of time management as a starting point. So at the same time, if you click through the exhibit, so for example, clicking through the exhibit 3, that if you can't see the words quite clearly, that you can click on zoom in, and then you can see the words more clearly as a starting point. And after that, that we simulate the actual ACCA SBR exam environment. So for example, that in our course, my favorite stuff, as you may know, that I would love to click straight through when I read through the tests. Alternatively, you can highlight the tests, for example, choosing light green, okay, when you read through the case. And of course, you will need to answer the question, for example, in the answer box, okay, very similar to the actual ACCA exam environment. Now, what's more important is that for the SBR, we also introduced the pre-populated spreadsheet function, and you can directly answer your question 1 in the section A in our pre-populated spreadsheet. And after that, you can upload all of your answers, okay, clicking on submit, and then our markers will mark them for you. So, combined with our knowledge and the revision phase of our studies, and you will pass the SBR exam in safe hand. I look forward to your exam success very soon. Bye-bye.
APC, accounting for your future.